Alright, cool. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
No! Yes! But no! Alright, cool. So I just bought, well, not just, but I recently bought an Oculus, and it just arrived. It's the Oculus Quest 2, and I'm gonna open it and test it out right now, and probably record a gameplay after, potentially. Look.
Oh shit.
Da da da!
That's a nice ass box.
It's a fucking pretty box. They have a Jurassic World game? Fuck that! Tan tan! It's Christmas! Oh, yes!
Whoa.
Oh, yes! Okay, hang on though. I'm assuming this is a charger. And I'm assuming and hopefully instructions? Question mark? Yes. Oh, good. I got a UK port. Alright, so I'm assuming first thing I gotta do is plug it in. But let's just...
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to figure out the controls on this. Very good. First, it has like buttons here, plus there are buttons there. Two joysticks, 2 buttons, and it looks like 2 kind of home kind of buttons. Now for the real freaking deal. Move lenses left or right to find clearest view. Oh my god. No liquid cleaners. No sunlight on lenses. Okay, no problem. I can do that or not do that. What is this? Oh, they have a spacer for glasses. So
nice.
But I googled it. The only reason why you would need glasses on the Oculus is if your near sight is fucked up.
Interesting.
When you have my problem and you can't see from afar, it doesn't matter. It says that if you could see fine from here, then you're good, because it's a screen. But if you can't see fine from here, which is what other people have, then you need this. Thank God I don't need it, because you don't understand how much I hate having to wear things over my glasses, even though if there's a spacer. That is why I don't like to go on 3D movies.
Right.
It's so annoying.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Alright, so let's plug you in for a second. And also need to figure out this shit. Oh, it has things on. Satisfaction.
Let's do the queen.
Right? It kind of looks like it. Even if you did it down. Like an elvish. Quick start. Pull this. Pause. Press the shits for 2 seconds and then put it on. Ah, shit! Oh, hang on. It's plugged in too close to the floor. Here we go. I'm nervous. 1, 2. How do I know it plugged in? Turn on. Ah! Oh my god, this is insane. How do you adjust this shit? I hate to see. Oh my god, I have speakers right here. Oh! Where is my shit? Do you hear this? Do you hear what I'm gonna need to unplug this bitch for a second. Will it die if I do that? I hope not. No! Oh my freaking... Oh, this is a bit insane. You know what I think is gonna end up happening to me? I'm gonna get sucked into Sword Art Online or something.
There you go.
Ish.
Yeah, I'll meet you there.
Oh yeah? Please stay seated for setup. Find a seat. Hang on, let me sit properly. Wow. Wi-Fi. Ah, shit. I don't know the password, man. Ooh, I have a keyboard. I need a minute. So what I just did is supposed to make me able to use my glasses with it. Oh, yes, it totally does. What the hell? It doesn't even bother me to wear them. What? God, I see my camera. Ooh. Oh my God. Welcome, thank you. What the heck? Holy shit. Now I'm in a winter house. Some fancy shit, bro. What about this one? Oh yeah. Oh yes. This is the one. The Japanese house. Oh yeah, sexy, sexy. Where's my sexy samurai? Na na na. What's that song called? Oh, it's so bright outside. Alright, well I'm gonna be doing some like playing around with it and stuff. Getting the games installed, whatever. But that was the opening. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys with some gameplays of this very soon. Okay, bye!